My name's Catherine Liao, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Blumio. I'm willing to bet that many of you here are tracking how many steps that you're taking, the number of hours of sleep that you got last night, and probably even your heart rate when you're exercising. Yet, very few of you are tracking your blood pressure, the single most important indicator of your cardiovascular health. And we are here to change that. My co-founders and I have created an innovative blood pressure sensor that can monitor your blood pressure continuously. And we've packaged that into a wearable armband so that you can begin to monitor and measure your blood pressure all day. What this means is that as our app begins to show how your blood pressure is trending in real time, and beginning to open up a brand new window into your cardiovascular health. And we're very excited about that. This started as a project for my co-founder, Oliver, who has dealt with hypertension his whole life. And based on his experience in managing his blood pressure, despite being on medication, he still experiences fluctuations in his blood pressure, and it's very difficult for him to pinpoint on what's causing that. So with Blumio, what this means, Oliver can begin to correlate what his blood pressure spikes with what he's doing so that he can begin to work with doctors to better identify the right blood pressure medication and the right dosage. Now, for someone who's healthy like myself, the Blumio offers a significant amount of benefits because what it tells me is that it's my health report card on exactly how well my body is doing. Once I know what my blood pressure trend is throughout the day, any deviations from that tells me that something is out of whack and I need to do something about it. What gets managed? Well, what gets measured gets managed. And we are here to fundamentally change how we go about to manage our cardiovascular health and our health in general. For the last 2 years, my co-founders and I have bootstrapped this innovation ourselves, developing the sensor technology to what it is today. And this year, with Highway One's help, what we are ready to do is produce a batch of prototype devices to go into field trials with. As a matter of fact, we're working with UCSF's Center for Digital Health Innovation to design and execute a validation trial this coming summer. Our plan is to submit this device for FDA approval at the end of this year and launch in 2017. Oliver and I first met 13 years ago at the World Health Organization, where that we were responsible for running the information systems to disseminate health information during the SARS epidemic. This is now the second time we partnered together on a venture, and I couldn't ask for a better partner. And we invited Lillian to join us for her expertise in wireless sensing technologies. But it's not just the three of us, though. We are further joined by a rock-star team of electrical engineers, firmware engineers, mechanical engineers, and software developers to really make this innovation a reality. So, we are revolutionizing health monitoring. We are very excited about it. I hope you are too. But we need your help to help us take this innovation to market. So please stop by and by our booth after the show, and let's see this demo in action and see how this thing really works. Thank you very much.